I want to talk to you today about the gut-brain connection. There is a wired and wireless system that goes between the brain and the gut. People will often talk to me about mental health issues, and when I start asking them questions, it turns out they have some digestive history as well. Whether that's constipation, diarrhea, bloating, not reacting well to certain foods. And I had a really great example of affecting one of these areas, the brain and the gut, and having the other area respond positively as well. I recently had a young girl here at my home who has been struggling with some anxiety. She's about 6 or 7 years old, and her parents are concerned because she's having this anxious response to being at school. And while I had her here, I did the sensory Symphony of the Cells on her. I have all of the Symphony of the Cells applications in different individual bags. And this just allows me to grab a bag and use it and not have to rifle through my house trying to find all the oils. The sensory application is something that we use in our home when there needs to be some sort of mental and or emotional calming. And whether that's, gosh, it's just been a really long week and I just want a good night's sleep, or whether that's using it in the morning to just send somebody to school in a more focused frame of mind, this is just a really nice mental and emotional calmer. The oils in sensory starts with either balance or frankincense, carrier oil, petitgrain, cilantro, turmeric, spikenard, patchouli, vetiver, yarrow, copaiba, and cedarwood. Now, some of these make a lot of sense to me in the sense of using vetiver to calm things down. But I love that somebody smarter than me knows that oils like turmeric and spikenard and cilantro and petitgrain are very helpful to the emotional and mental workings of the body as well. So this little girl was over here and I put the sensory application on her, 2 drops of each of the oils to her spine, rubbed any extra on my hand on the bottoms of her feet, and then had her smell my hand, layering each oil on top of the previous one. And the response that I got was that she slept really well and had the biggest poop of her life the next day, which is really fun for me to hear because it proves that any time that we positively affect the brain, we help the digestive system work better. When we're constantly in a state of fight or flight, when we're in a state of I don't feel safe, our digestive system is in effect going to shut off. We're either in fight or flight or we're in rest and digest. In order to have a really high functioning, productive digestive system, for lack of a better word, we need to be in a state of feeling safe for the most part of the day. I love that when we fix the digestive system, we fix the mental and emotional issues that we might be tackling as well. The reverse of this is that I recently had a GI MAP client who is about a month into her protocol, and she said to me, hey, I don't have the bloating that I had before, but the thing that really surprises me is I'm also not as anxious as I was before. This really had a big impact on my anxiety. Whether you're looking to fix a problem from a brain and emotional side of things, you're going to get digestive benefits. And if you aim at helping the digestive system work better, you're going to get mental and emotional benefits from that as well. So 2 for 1, I don't care where you start, but work on your emotional and mental and your digestive health today.